Let's count down. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! These people haven't been fed for years. Where are their husbands? Husbands, why haven't you given them food? What's going on? Why have they been kept in hunger for so long? May I please call upon Ms. Navi Safran, the Creative Director for Share Innovations. Please join me on the stage to give away this prize to this very hungry girl. Who are you? Who did you come with?
My family and friends.
Your family and friends don't feed you at home?
I'm feeding, but I'm a foodie, so I like food.
Okay, all right. She came to the right place. I'll tell you that. Right, Mr. Nabil. Yeah, there you are. Okay, please go ahead and collect your prize. Big round of applause. Okay. Don't get any grease on that. Yeah, try not to. Yeah, can we get some tissue for her, please? She's gonna ruin her gift.